Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the world of technology and provide you with honest reviews and insights. Today, we're excited to present the Anker 737 Power Bank review. If you're in need of a reliable power bank to keep your devices charged on the go, you're in for a treat. Join us as we dive into the features, performance, and overall value of the Anker 737 Power Bank. In a fast-paced world where staying connected is crucial, a dependable power bank can be a game-changer. The Anker 737 Power Bank promises to keep your devices juiced up, whether you're traveling, working, or simply enjoying a day out. Let's take a closer look at some of the key features that set the Anker 737 Power Bank apart. High capacity. The Anker 737 boasts an impressive battery capacity, ensuring multiple charges for your devices. Say goodbye to the anxiety of running out of battery when you need it the most. Compact design. Despite its substantial power capacity, the Anker 737 is designed to be sleek and compact. Slip it into your bag or pocket, and you'll have a reliable power source at your fingertips. Fast charging technology. Equipped with advanced charging technology, the Anker 737 can deliver a quick and efficient charge to your devices. No more waiting around for hours to top up your battery. Universal compatibility. This power bank is compatible with a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, wireless earbuds, and more. No matter what device you own, the Anker 737 has you covered. Multi-Protect safety system. Anker prioritizes safety, and the Anker 737 is no exception. It features a Multi-Protect safety system that safeguards your devices against overcharging, short circuits, and other potential hazards. LED indicator. The LED indicator provides real-time information about the power bank's remaining battery capacity, so you can plan your charging needs accordingly. Now, let's talk about the performance of the Anker 737 Power Bank. Charging speed. With its fast charging technology, the Anker 737 delivers a speedy charge to your devices, minimizing downtime and keeping you connected. Battery efficiency. The high capacity and efficient charging translate to multiple charges for your devices on a single power bank charge. Reliability. Whether you're traveling, working, or enjoying outdoor activities, the Anker 737 is a reliable companion that ensures your devices stay powered up. Finally, let's discuss the value that the Anker 737 Power Bank brings to the table. Convenience. The compact design and universal compatibility make the Anker 737 incredibly convenient for everyday use and travel. Longevity. With its durable build and efficient charging, the Anker 737 is built to last, providing value for years to come. Brand reputation. Anker is known for its high-quality products and commitment to customer satisfaction. The Anker 737 Power Bank continues this legacy. In conclusion, the Anker 737 Power Bank is a reliable and efficient solution for all your charging needs. Its high capacity, fast charging technology, and safety features make it a must-have accessory for anyone who relies on their devices. Thank you for joining us in this review of the Anker 737 Power Bank. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel for more tech reviews, and sharing it with fellow tech enthusiasts. Until next time, stay charged and connected.